Hey my friends, I hope you're good. Today I want to talk about how to increase your quality of life with muscle quality. Now I'm not talking about Arnold Schwarzenegger, super big, jacked and tan and taking steroids. That's not the quality of life I'm talking about. The quality of life I'm talking about is being able to play with your grandkids, being able to go hiking when you want, being able to go on vacation when you want without having to be stuck in a chair, being able to work in your garden or go dancing with your wife, etc. Being able to enjoy your golden years. So the function of the muscle. Now, just as important, if not more important than the function of the muscle, is the quality of the muscle. Skeletal muscle is the foundation of our metabolism. It helps regulate our blood and our fat lipids. The muscle mass is an endocrine organ that excretes malokine proteins that help regulate the metabolism and all tissues of our body. So essentially, the bigger and stronger our muscles are, the more fat and carbohydrates that we're going to burn. So how can we get to this, you may ask?